How to hide or unhide your birth date on REDnote app. Launch REDnote app on your phone and make sure that you log into your account, entering all your login credentials. Then you will access your home page of REDnote. Tap Me button at bottom right to access your profile feed of REDnote. Tap on Profile button at top right corner of your screen. Once you access your profile, tap on birth date. And if you have entered your birthday, you can directly proceed toward hide or unhide a step. But if you haven't, you simply need to choose your birthday. So you can easily scroll these numbers and select the year. Similarly, you need to do the same for both the month and date as well and tap the save button at top right. And with this, you will add your birth date. To hide your birth date, simply you need to toggle the button of Show Birth Date. And in order to unhide your birth date on REDnote, turn on the button. You can even show the age or show constellation. You can choose any one of this, and with this you will unhide your birth date on REDnote app. That's all for today. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.